nongeye kubasuhuza babwira nti mugire amahoro. Uyu ni wa mwanya rero w'isomo ryacu, isomo ryacu rya computer science twatangiye ndetse tunakomeje. Hanyuma nakiriye comment, hari abantu bashaka ko iri somo ryakorwa mu cyongereza kugira ngo wenda rigere kuri benshi internationally, abantu bamwe na bamwe batumva wenda ururimi rw'ikinyarwanda kandi baba bakeneye amasomo. So abumva urunyarwanda gusa cyangwa ikinyarwanda gusa, natekereje ko ahubwo nabikoresha byombi. I have to mix the language so that everyone can be ku buryo buri wese tumugeraho bitewe n'aho aherereye, cyangwa se n'isi turi kujyamo iradusaba kuba umuntu koko akoresha icyongereza cyangwa se uruzungu bitewe n'uko bamwe babyita. So now today we are going to see what we call text formatting. We are going to do a text formatting. Here we're gonna see how to change type, size and color. We are going to see how to change font type, size and color. Bivuze ngo tugiye kureba uko ushobora guhindura font. Iyo tuvuze font size ni uko iyo tuvuze font ni ubwoko bw'inyandiko. Hari murabizi wenda ku rugero rwahita rwumvikana ni mu mukono no mu cyapa, urwo rugero ruhita rwumvikana. That is what we call a font type. The size ni ukureba ingano, icyo twari twakivuze tunatangira. Size just to see the size, how is the size of your word, amagambo yawe angana gute. And then the color ni ibara, guhindura ibara, how to change the color. That is what we are going to work on it today. So mwicareho gatoya hanyuma turebe ko iri somo naryo rigenda neza nkuko andi yagize ati yagenze. Here we are going to start on the font type. Katubyandikeho font type. Iyi font type niyo tugiye kureba. Ibi twarabyize byo guselectinga. We have seen how to select the text. That is what I am doing. This is how to select the text according to what you want to select. You see? And then when you say font size, you see this table. I told you when this table moved from here, you come here, you come this part of left, come here to the left side, and you see everything was being displayed in the table here below, the table you've seen. And then this is what we call the font type. It just appear here, you see. Ahangaha niho dusanga font. Hanyuma icyo ukora, you come and select from others. You see, we have so many kind of fonts. Those are fonts you just choose. I told you that before you do anything else, you just have to select your text. Narabwiye ngo mbere yuko ugira ikintu ukora icyo ari cyo cyose ugomba guselectinga text ugiye kugikoreraho. Nibyo twabanje gukora. I'm reminding you that whenever you do anything while you are beginner, you just have to select the text. Select the text according to what you are going to do. And then we are going to see the font type. This is where we found font type. You see the mouse? You see my mouse? This is the font. It consists of so many different fonts. you just select those arrow, ushyira kuri kano gacumu kareba hasi, the arrow looking down, and you just click one more on the left click. You see, you get different kind of type, font type. You see, you choose what is fit you, you choose what you want. Uhitamo icyo ushaka, font ushaka hano, kugira ngo urabona ko uko ndi kugenda mbikora hano text yacu iri guhinduka. When you choose the font, they display the font. When you reach the font, they display the font to make you easy to choose, to see how to display, to see how to look. That's it. When you reach the font, they display the font type. They display. This is how you choose a font type. In international text format cyangwa se uburyo mpuzamahanga bwa text format font, abenshi bakoresha Times New Roman. Internationally, the good texting font, they usually use Times New Roman. You see, and when we are doing anything else, we are designing certificates, we are designing other things, the people prefer to use an elephant. When you need an elephant format, you can come here and you select, you delete this one and type elephant font. Elephant. If there is an elephant here, they already give you you see, this is the elephant. This font used to be good while you are designing something like a certificate, you are doing a flyer, marketing flyer, anything else. You can use this kind of font. This is good for and it's on international standard. You see, it looks very good, and very cute. Ubwo nari ndi kuvuga ngo mu buryo mpuzamahanga dukunda gukoresha Times New Roman iyo dukora text isanzwe. Hanyuma twaba turi kudesigninga ibindi bintu nk'amabirete, amasertifika, flyer zamamaza cyangwa se z'ibirori n'ibiki, ushobora gukoresha kano gafonti kajya kaba keza cyane bakita elephant. Hanyuma waba uri kwandikira umuntu, uri gukora ibaruwa y'akazi, you just have to use Times New Roman. You see? Let us choose this one, 44 font. This is our font type now. Urabona uko kagaragara, you see how it look. And then after seeing the font type, let's see the size, how to make the size, text the size. You see, when you choose the font and you go down to the next line, text line, you remain the same font. Bivuze iki? Niba if you was doing a heading and you need to add a text, you have to change type accordingly. Ndavuze ngo hano iyo wamaze gushyiraho iyi fonti ukamanuka hano hasi ugiye gukomeza kwandika, ukanze kuri enter ukegera hano hasi ukomeza muri ya fonti wari ufite. Bivuze ngo niba iyi ari heading wari uri gukora, ari umutwe w'ijambo, biragusaba ko nugera hano uza guhindura iki? Uhindura font. Ubwo tugiye kuza hano duhindure font, dushyiremo iyo dushaka, dushyizemo elephant. Hanyuma we are going to see how to add and reduce a size of the text. You see, before you do anything else, you have to make selection. You select your text and you come here, you make sure that you are at home. This is the home tab. Home tab. Not to go anywhere. You just have to stay here at home. And then you need to add, to increase or decrease the size. You come here. You see this is a number. We are in the font size of 26. If you need it small, you come to the small number. You see how my size is changing. You see, are you getting? You see, this is the size. This is 72. You see, you choose the size you need. Ukuvuga aha ngaha niho ukura font size. Hano twari kuri font type. This is, we are now seeing a font size. You have to differ. Biratandukanye. Hambere twari kuri font type, hano turi kureba font size. We go here, tujya hano ku ruhande, hanyuma tukareba hano kano kazu kari mu tubare. Ukanda hano ugahitamo ingano wifuza. Urabona uko bari kuri displayinga, wabibonye? Hano nubwo twafata hano cyangwa se hano 72. You see how our font size look like. It becomes so big. It's increased. You see? So easy. You just have to sit and follow the course, the whole course. You will end up knowing Microsoft Word very well. Niwicara ugakurikirana isomo, bizarangira iyi Microsoft Word uyizi neza cyane nk'abantu wagiye kuyiga ku ishuri cyangwa se ukanabarusha. When you spend your time very good, you will end up knowing this software, this Microsoft Word perfectly. And then here we are going to see how you can change the color. Color changing. We are going to see how to change our color. Let us do a size to 248, 36 to display it very good. I told you that when you are going to do anything else, you just have to make selection. You better make a selection according to what you need to change, what you need to do, according to what you need to do on the text you've been selecting. You selected. Like, we are going to see how to change the color. Cyangwa se color change. Tugiye kureba uko ushobora guhindura ibara ry'ijambo ryawe. You first select as we talk. You can select this changing, or you can also select the color. After selecting the color, you go to home. Here you see we are home already. Everything is for home. And then you see we just have this. This is a text highlight, not changing color. Here, this is a font color. Okay, let's call it font color to make it very clear. Changing font color. We are changing a font color, but we are doing a font color. You go to the tab here. You see the A text with the red bar. Urabona iyi nyuguti cyangwa se ni nyuguti ariko cyangwa inyajwi ifite akantu k'umutuku k'akarongo gatambitse hasi. Niho ujya ugakanda kuri aka kagofero gacuramye, this downing flow, and you choose the color you want. You see how the color is being. You see the change. It's just changing according to the color you reach. You see, now you can choose the color which is good to us. You can choose red. Let us use this one. Now you see that our color is already changed. This is how it works. Nuko bigenda. Iyo ugiye guhindura ibara, uza hano ugaselectiona bimwe twavuze bisanzwe, hanyuma ukaza kuri iyi nyuguti ifite akarongo k'umutuku gatambika hasi yayo, ugakanda kwa aka kagofero kareba hasi, ugahitamo ibara wifuza. Iryo ugezeho barakwereka kugira ngo urebe ko bidisipureyinga fureshi bijyanye n'ibyo ugize ute wifuza. Hanyuma ugahitamo ugiye ku ibara wowe wumva ushaka. This is how to do a font type, font size, and font color. This is today lesson. Iri ni ryo somo ry'uyu munsi. I hope you are liking the course. I also waiting your comment. When you need to do the English version and the Kinyarwanda version, you have to write down in the comment. Niba mushaka ko dukora amasomo uburyo bubiri, Kinyarwanda n'icyongereza, byandike muri comment. Cyangwa se niba hari n'urundi rurimi wenda wumva wifuza twakoresha nabyo, babitubwire muri comment. Biraza guterwa naho uherereye, hanyuma tuzajya tureba igishoboka tugikore. Niba kandi wenda ururimi ruri gutuma utabyumva neza, nabwo bishyira muri comment, hanyuma tujyanirane. Because I think that everyone will enjoy the course, because this laptop is constructed in English, not in Kinyarwanda. I use Kinyarwanda just to support the Kinyarwanda community. You see? But it's better when you start taking this course in English, because this software work in English. It means those kind of insert, design, home, everything here is in English. You just have to be familiar with English, because English is nowadays working everywhere. Whenever you go, you find English. English is so abundant. It's everywhere on the world. You just have to enter the mood of English. I used to mix English and Kinyarwanda to make sure that the course is being done very clear. Then after, maybe that we will use English only. So I just need your comment if we continue to mix, or if we just focus on English. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, to post on your status, on your groups, call your friend to call others and come to take this lesson for free. This is a free lesson. This is a free course, zero of charges, just your data and subscription. You have to subscribe on my channel to make sure that you will receive the notification for the next course. Thank you. Nice moment.